Kevin, let's get on to the outlook part. So, do you have an outlook or an update to your Bitcoin call? I mean, again, we've reached your target at $20,000. I think the question is whether or not this is the bottom that we've seen.
Yeah, so the Bitcoin simple summary chart that I put out back on May 9th or around May the 9th, as you say, took us down to around about 20,000. I had a series of staged targets, 30,000, 20,000, and then an ultimate target that took us to somewhere around 10 or 12,000, David. Looking at the Bitcoin chart now today, we find ourselves in an inverted arc. So this is the opposite of a cup pattern. It's a sort of a dome-shaped pattern. And we have been rising, as Patrick just described, in a bit of a bounce off that 20,000 area. And it's taken us up and formed a bearish rising wedge hitting resistance. There are a number of technical analysis techniques and features of this chart which make it more probable that this is going to break to the downside and head down towards that 10 to 12,000 target. I would assess the odds at around about 70 to 80% likely that we break down to see these lower lows, and around about 20 to 30%, excuse me, around about 20 to 30% probability of moving to the upside. So we can't rule out that upside move, but knowing where the support and resistance levels are is going to give us that really early heads up. So those are all marked on the chart for people to see.
All right, so Kevin, I'll let you elaborate on the price targets that these charts indicate based on the arc patterns.
Yeah, sure. So we're heading in the direction of the 30-week or 200-day moving average. Those are both very similar in value, of course. And that's somewhere just above $30,000, $32,000, $33,000, that kind of area. By the time we move up to meet it, I guess we could be somewhere around $29,000 or $30,000. So that is the upside target, and that's the highest I would expect it to get. We may well start to run out momentum before then and begin to roll over. I noticed quite a few of the cryptocurrencies already doing that and seem to have put in their highs for this what I'm seeing as a bear market rally. So we're either at or very close to those peaks at the moment.